Oh, that would have been the end of tie X3. What's up, guys? We're at the bike party. We're at Rockridge Station right now. We got hella people out here, dude. We got all kinds of bikes. Just trying to warm up my brakes right now. Woo, buddy. Damn, dude, there's so many people out tonight. It's so nice out right now. We got the green lights for the Luigi theme. What's up? What up? Checking out the Tuttio. What's up? Do I know how to wheelie? Yeah. Yeah. You know how to wheelie? Pop it up. Let me see something. Nice? Yeah. I like it. It's really nice. Let's see, Mav on the Tuttio. Shee. Boom, 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 boom. Bro, it's lit tonight. We're at 100%. That's the one thing I will say that I don't like. I don't like that the regen on this bike doesn't work till like 80. Yeah, let me check out this bike, dude. We got... Come on, brother! What's up, bro? Pop it up, let's see it. Hell yeah. Nah, we out here, bro. We out here. Yeah, everybody loves the Talaria, bro. But I had got this carbon fiber earlier today, dude. This thing is sick. You can wheelie this?
I tried it.
Shit. Hey, this thing looks sick. I bet.
What's the name, bro?
Ty. Yeah. I got a YouTube.
It's off the chain, man.
Yeah. The stops are gonna be even better. How's the Tuttio been? Yeah. Bike party. Let's do it. Dude, there's a guy on a unicycle. Look. He's on a unicycle. Yo, that's sick. Alright, we got a lot of people. Oh, he just full jumped. Alright, this is good enough. Let's go. Bike party, let's do it. Rockridge Station, we're leaving. Oh, this is a good wheelie road. Oh, there's like no room though. Fuck. This would have been such a sick street to wheelie on. Those things are super bright. Oh! Bro, we've completely taken over the whole road. I think I lost the group. Oh, thank God, I thought I lost you guys. Oh, is this the front? I hope this isn't the front. Oh, it is the front. We were way past the leader. Let me get in the front here a little bit. I need some room to pop up some wheelies.
I ain't finna go back and forth with these niggas, I'm tryna go catch me a top. Yeah, niggas crashing, hear that good start spazzing, ain't even know you was shot. I already knew you was hit, cause when we was done, all the niggas had heard that I. All the niggas had heard that I. All the niggas had heard that I. Said I can't come back, but nigga, I been.
Bro, we got the whole lane to myself. How fucking cool is this, dude?
Ranking on nothing, he driving the mix. Kwame the chill, tryna hang with them kids.
Getting low with it.
Hey, come on, meet the read. Got so much bread, make them do it on feet. Ain't finna type on computers whenever I'm pressing this button, just know it delete. How about the Uber meet over my cougar? I know she gon' fuck on the guys for free. Tour put me over, they told me to stay out the city. I told them I'll be there next week. Hey, come on, meet the read. Got so much bread, make them do it on feet.
That feels great right now.
Right there.
Oh! Look at that. There's a lot of people.
Legit, man.
Oh my God, there's so many people here. Bike mechanic. Oh, that's so tight. Super, super nice being on a e-bike. Dude, this is so nice to have a Talaria. I can't lie. Being able to just like sit here and just really watch everything is so nice. Oh, look how pretty that is. Bro, this guy's really like... We're at the first stop. We're at Diamond Park right now. Dude, it's been so lit. Like, actually, it's been so fun. This is a rave at Diamond Park. Next stop's the Infirmary. Diamond Park's been really cool, but I've never seen like the bike party here. It's pretty dope. Hey, I'm gonna see what they got. I'll be right back. We just had a burrito. It was so good, dude. It was so worth it. Let's get out of here. Let's go. Let's get on the street, pop some wheelies. This is so fun, like actually. We're in the front of the pack, man. We're chilling. You got the whole road to Wheelie. Like, when do you ever get to do this? Bro, this is so nice. Everyone loves a Talaria. Bro, who doesn't love a wheelie? Like, you see like a dirt bike, kind of. You're gonna ask them to immediately pop it up. Oh my god. We're getting pretty good at wheeling, I can't lie. 80%, yeah. Oh, I'm just on my phone. I'm at 80% for we've done 14 miles. Where's everybody else? We kind of just like lost half the group. It's been real nice. It's been a really, really nice ride out right now. Look at Lake Merritt, dude. It's so nice. This is so nice. It's not even that. It's like, it's not cold at all. You know what? Let's go on there. Dude, like, look at this. This is so sick. This is like my first video when I did the Lake Merritt ride out, but look at this. This is at nighttime. It's such a different place at nighttime. Damn, look at this. Like I said, Lake Merritt is such a different vibe at night. Oh! Oh, it's raining! Oh my god, it's raining. Yeah, it's sprinkling a bit. I don't want to wheelie in the rain. I'm a bit scared. I really don't want to fall tonight. That'd be so bad. I'm kind of lost, I'm gonna be honest. I don't know where the rest of the group is. I don't know where everybody is. Ah, there's that really cool building that I like. It's a really nice purple. This sucks. It needs to be the summer already. Yo. Oh, it's fucking sprinkling, dude. This sucks. I'm soaked. If it rains while my bike is in the fucking bed, dude, it's gonna suck. I have no idea where we're going, by the way. I'm just following these guys. Oh my god. I don't know where we're going. Oh, my bike's soaked. Let's chill here for a sec. Let the rain die out a little bit. Dude, my bike is soaked. Yeah, I don't know where anybody is. Are we going the right way? We're kind of just waiting for the rain to die out a little bit. And also look for the rest of the group. It says it's gonna stop in 20 minutes. Dude, my GoPro is gonna die, but we're at the infirmary. We're waiting for the rest of the pack. Before I end this video, I just want to say, man, thank you guys for 1,000 views on my very first video. I was not expecting 1,000 views. Thank you guys for all the love and support, you know, all the comments, subscribers, likes, everything. Man, that shit makes me feel so good. Makes me want to make more videos. So I'm making one right now, literally right now. But yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.